Good morning, everyone. Emmanuel here with Cabal Construction. So right now we are shopping for homes, and I and my wife are going to do what's called, if it all goes well and as planned, a 203K loan, which is kind of like a construction loan. Now, full disclosure, I'm not a mortgage person, so I don't do loans, things of that nature. But if you need them, I can definitely put you in touch with the right people. That being said, what we're trying to do is buy a house at a value that's maybe $100,000 to $150,000 less than what we actually want. That may be a little run down, or not even run down, but that is maybe just a little antiquated. The cabinets are older. There's flooring that we want to replace. And the goal is to buy the house at a lower rate so that we can come in and do construction the way that we want the house. The way that that works is the bank will, and again, I'm not a mortgage person, but they'll give you the money to not only buy the house, but they'll also look at your construction contract and give you the money to do the construction as well. You would definitely have to talk to the lender to find out how all that works. But it is a loan. It's called a 203K loan. It is possible, and it is happening. And the interest rates are a little higher than traditional, conventional, or FHA loans, but not by much. And they do, help out the person who's buying a house that maybe doesn't want to buy a remodeled house because of how inflated the price is, which is something that my wife and I did see as we're buying houses. The ones that are remodeled are typically inflated. So what we're going to do is buy the house, hopefully at the price that's lower than what we have budgeted, so that we can get money for the construction loan and then come in and do it ourselves. So it's nice that way, because now you're not competing with as many people who are going to use a traditional, conventional FHA loan. And you can make the house that if you're not finding the house that you want for the price that you want, you can instead buy lower and then put the money into making it yours. What's the benefit for us? Well, we can be your contractor. Lenders are not going to want to work with a handyman or a small-time group that doesn't have a license. They're going to want to work with a contractor that has a license, has their general liability, has their workers' comp, and not only that, but knows how to handle paperwork in case they do what are called draws, where they actually pay the contractor directly and the person buying the home doesn't get involved. So whoever can benefit from this, I hope that this information was helpful to you. And if you want to know more about it, the first step would be to put you in contact with the right person that can help you with the 203K loan. And again, I've got those people. And then the next step would be to put together some construction bids based on the houses that you're looking for, so that when you put in your offer, you already have something tangible ready to go to show to the seller. And again, this is me just speaking based on the experiences that I'm having currently as we go to look for houses. Okay, so again, just get in touch with me. First step would be to get you with the lender, and then second step would be to get you with us, Cabal Construction, so that we can help you out with that. Okay, thank you.